So what's up, guys? Here's my little Evo build. Please don't ask me about the vents, please. Fucking building. Hasn't gotten a wash in weeks. I have to get that vacuum too. I don't even know if I got the towel.
What's up, man?
Aloha.
How
we doing,
guys?
guys?
Here. Oh. So tell me about your car.
It's a Toyota Corolla. I just put a Lexus. I put Lexus logos on it. More horsepower.
Okay. More horsepower, of course.
This has like 50 horsepower.
50.
Yeah. You know,
RFPX, right?
yeah, RPF. Our racing tune, you know, another 50 horsepower.
Of course.
Just a sticker. We got slicks on it, you know.
Slicks?
Slicks.
Those don't look like slicks.
They're slicks.
Oh yeah, of course, slicks.
Very hot boy.
Very hot boy. And what's the name of your car?
It's the first sport.
The first one?
Yes, sir.
So, how fast would you say your car is?
It's definitely faster than the Jeep SRT. That's for
Oh,
sure.
the Jeep SRT. Yeah, I've heard those are really fast.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Not fast enough.
Not faster than yours? Damn. That's great. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, look. Hey, bro. Is this a Tricot? What's going on here?
This is a 1984 Ford Bronco.
Oh, Ford Bronco. I've never seen them look like this before.
Oh! Yeah, they were ahead of their time, you know, revolutionary design and everything.
And what year did you say they were?
I designed the car myself. Yeah, this is Thomas Edison.
Oh, Mr. Thomas. Thomas, can I get a word?
How we doing, man?
How exactly did you design this
Well,
monstrosity?
I was beating my meat. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna make a car.
A car, yeah.
So I went to
This is a car.
yeah. So I went to this is a fridge. It just happens to go really fast. So I went to Home Depot.
Home Depot, of course.
Bought some plywood, 4x4s, some tires, and yeah, we just made the dream work. Me and my team, Christian, me, Juan Perros, Ashley, Tatatus.
And you said this was a dream, right?
Yeah, this is a dream.
I'm not sure if I heard dream or nightmare. I wasn't really sure.
You can say both. It's a little bit of both. Yeah,
Okay.
depending on the day. Best of both worlds. And yeah.
And we have a Lexus, a Toyota Corolla
Yeah.
that said that he's faster than SRT actually.
I believe that man is I'm pretty sure that guy's homeless and he does crack, so I wouldn't.
And sir, could you explain to me what this sticker is?
So no, hold on. That's for the 4 years of deployment in Iraq. We bombed a few.
Okay,
Yeah.
Iraq. Okay.
Actually,
okay.
so what this does is this equates for the power loss that the regular SRT has. So now it has the same as a Trackhawk.
Of course. So you practically have a.
We just drop bombs on cars and yeah, you know.
So you drop bombs.
Drop bombs, you know. Yeah.
Okay.
Drop L's, you know.
Of course.
Yeah, so if you lose a race, it's mandatory that we just drop a bomb in your.
So if you were to look over there, that car has faced those bombs.
That car over
Yeah,
there.
you see, he has a little dent right there.
That little slow car over there.
Yes, that white slow car.
Of course.
Experienced it.
All right. I heard that's pretty fast. I don't know.
Compared to a Civic.
Compared to a Civic, of
I
course.
also heard a story where a legendary man was driving that vehicle
A legendary man was
and
driving.
destroyed a Charger.
Boys,
And what's all this ruckus?
what's up with this Toyota Camry? Wow. All right then. Let's It's probably just coming out of his speakers.
Yeah, I think he went on YouTube and looked up a video. Wow.
Of course.
Fast
That's the one that's faster than the SRT.
Supposedly.
Supposedly, okay.
There's,
But it
haven't
is.
seen it.
It does look very fast.
It does look very fast. Gotta give him that. But looking fast does not mean you're fast.
Oh yeah, of course. Let's go have a word with him. Let's see. Yeah. And this is the Camry, and we have my Hyundai Tiburon. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
You're out of gas?
Oh, ruckus. Oh my goodness.
what was
hold
that?
On, hold on.
Wait.
Oh my God.
Oh.
What the?
Oh shit!
Oh my goodness.
I thought you had a Toyota Camry.
That's a weird way to spell
Why
Camry,
are
man.
you lying to these people?
It's in Japanese.
Oh, it's
that's
Japanese.
Camry in Japanese? Okay.
Okay, of course.
Your car is a little wet, sir. How do you plan on drying
This
it
car
off?
smells like it's out of gas.
It kind of smells slow, to be
It
honest.
does smell slow right now.
I have 5 miles to my tank, so weight savings.
Of course.
Agreed.
Any special things done to your car?
Ching Chong turbos.
Okay. How many?
3.
3? Okay. Ching Chong turbos.
Wow. Have you installed a system in it yet?
Sonido?
Yeah,
Sonido?
Sonido coming soon.
Sonido coming soon. Okay. Let me show you guys my car real quick, just to get it out of the way. The slowest one out of all these. It's a little Genesis. What's up?
You got the Lambo doors?
Car is tuned.
You got the Lambo doors?
Oh no Lambo doors.
Oh,
You have a little blue stuff going on in there. Not bad. There you go subscribe. Do have some pretty nice tail lights here.
Is this,
Sir, why don't you go in there and give us a little rev? Give us a little rev.